260 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 1st, 2024. And we have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them, those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. The binary. It's binary time, boys and girls. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional and extra puzzles. We have here 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will continue with this binary puzzle. And this one will be number 8822. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. O. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are, wait. 4 O's, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Yes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Oh, wait. Did I make a mistake here? I don't know if I put this already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't know if I put this. Well, we have here double O, so this should be a double. This should be a 1 then. Aye. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If you place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes in 1. And here we have a double O. Here one, there one. Oh. Okay. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. So this always is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Double O here one, there one. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Double O here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare now. Need to compare. Let me compare the columns then. Double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? No. Can I compare here? Do we have a 101? Here we have a 101. This is not the same. Do we have a 101? No. Can I compare this one? How about this one? Oh, double 1 here. No. Double 1 here. No. Here 100. No. So we need to compare the rows. Double 1 here. This is not the same. Double 1. Oh, only not the same here. So I cannot compare this one. How about this one? 100 here. 100. 1. 100. Yeah. The second row. And this row. Let me compare. 1 empty box. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Alright. Do we have a double 1 here? 1 O. Double 1. This one. And that one. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box. 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, we solved it again. with comparing. Yeah, we need to compare. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.